Hi friends, good evening everybody. Today I am going to discuss various services provided by our library. During this pandemic, six of us are confined to our home. Therefore, we are not able to go to the library. So we have to search the all resources from our websites. Here provided some services to our library website. Now I am discussing one by one. In the home page, here you find some top news stories in Bengal and also find the location of our library. The next important menu is e-resources. Our college is active member of Infinite English Book. Through this platform, we can access lots of an e-journal. Here is an option, member login. From here, you can direct it to the English website, and from there, you just put your user ID and password and access all the e-resources available there. Next important menu is OAR. That means Open Access Resource. So many links are embedded here. Search some quality resources internet, that is National Digital Library, West Bengal Public Library, ebook library, Internet Archive, Project Gutenberg, etc. Here we also provide the links of some reputed open access journals such as EPW, Journal of Bioscience, Journal of Genetics, etc. Next important menu is OER, that is Open Educational Resources. Here we provide the link of IGNOU, Gigancos, NSU, OER, UGC MOOC, and EPG Parsala. Some important open educational resources are provided here. The next menu, publication, we provide the back issues of our college journal. Next important menu is question paper. Here we will find the different question papers of previous years. From that link, we can access any question paper in PDF version. Next important menu is services. Here so many services are listed here. First of all is career guide. In career guidance menu, we will find the career graph. Career graph actually says what is the next step after completion of the current degree or course. And next important menu is recent job posting. Here we embed 3 Bengali employment newspapers. From here we can access those and search the recent job post. In the CAS or current awareness services menu, we get the alerts of conferences and seminars. It's actually redirected to conferencealerts.co.in. From there, we just put our required keywords and press search button, and it will show the upcoming conferences or seminar. Next important service is custom search. Here we can search multiple sources by a single query, just like this. Just type your nano drop, press search button. Here is the result. All results are listed under all results tab. You can search it by publishers wise or item wise. Defined categories are listed here. You can search one by one. By a single search, you can find the resources from Willy online, or you can find the resources of just ebook resources actually, or you can find e-journal resources, or you can find enlist resources itself. Next important and most important services is opaque search service. Here we can refine our search by title, author, ISBN, publisher, subject, call number, or accession number. Here we can search our total library collection. Suppose we give a title Shakespeare. All title containing Shakespeare are appeared here. From here we can find out our desired. Next important service is read book online, which is very much effective during this period because we cannot able to go any library or purchase a book. Therefore, we cannot spend our leisure time or reading time. So we mostly depend on the internet. Here we provide a service called Read Book Online. Under this menu, we can search storybook or text. Just type a book title here, and suppose we type Jagori. Jagori book written by Satyanath Bhaduri is appear here. Just click on it, go downward, just click on this PDF and download it, or we can read it online also. Same procedure should be followed for textbook also. The next important one is virtual tour. Here we embed Indian tourist map. actually. Here we can click on any location and a video will appear and travel video will play here. You can enjoy it from your home actually. During this period it is very important, very helpful for us. Next one is university news. Students can check the news related to admission, registration, etc. get updated through this website. Therefore, we embed it to our library website. And last, we provide different important links for academic institutions like Department of Higher Education, University of Calcutta, SWAYAM. So we can access all these things from a single platform, and we try our level best to provide services to our users through this web. Thank you.